What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go to BTC. Currently sitting at 25.8, up 0.38 on the day. Same market cap of 503 billion. 24-hour volume 14.09 billion. So we pushed up to the 50% retracement. We got rejected, which is typical of a wave 4. So we'll see. I post this in my Discord. We'll see if we can bounce before we invalidate, because if we look at this micro count, if this is a 4 and we're coming down to a 5 and we take a fib extension, take a fib extension from the top of 2 to the bottom of 3 to the top of 4, the 618, let me remove this fib so it's not distracting. 618 is right here at basically 25.1k, about 25k, which is just before the invalidation. Let me show it to you on this chart here. So we can see here, this was the wave 1 up. So we're just sitting above the invalidation right now. So we'll see. It's an interesting time in the market because the technical target for the micro count could lead to a bounce before the invalidation. But honestly, I think there's a good chance we do invalidate and potentially come down to the 23k range. But looking at the DXY, we are pushing up to a major level of resistance. So we may see a wave down before pushing a little bit higher for the DXY. If that does happen, we see that wave down, then it gives the opportunity for Bitcoin to see a larger push to the upside. But I do think it's likely, even if we see a pullback on the DXY, that we end up pushing a little bit higher towards the 50%, even the 61.8 to complete the wave B. So we push down a 5-wave move into A, we're just pushing up into wave B. But wave B's can end at the 38.2% fib level. That is possible. But as of right now, if we do start to see a little bit of pullback here in the DXY, that's when you can see Bitcoin actually not invalidate and start to make a push to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out. But if the DXY just ends up shooting straight up for 106, that's when I think Bitcoin will start to invalidate and come down to that next strong support in between about 22.5 to about 23.9k. A lot of support and resistance in that area. We'll have to see how that plays out. But our target, as I mentioned, for the micro count, for the wave 5, it's about 25.1, 25k to 25,089, and it's just before the invalidation. So we'll see if that invalidation breaks or we get a decent enough bounce. If we get a decent enough bounce and break that trend line, then we could start to look for long positions, look for trades. But until then, we could definitely see continuation to the downside. That's it for this one. If you want access to my Discord where I give trade signals, daily analysis, it's only $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. This is where I'm doing my trading. No KYC, no VPN for all my Canadian and American traders looking for an exchange to trade futures, to trade spot. Once you sign up, you can email me your sign-up email for the 14-day free trial. Direct access, $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. Daily analysis for many crypto pairs, my exact crypto trade setups with take profits, stop losses, entries, crypto news, remember profits hot all place, as well as Forex. When crypto is slow, we're trading Forex. If we don't see trades in crypto, we see trades in Forex. We may have a silver entry coming up. We're currently in gold. We already hit TP1 on gold. All of that for $10 a month. Over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access is free. All links in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.